Hello everybody and welcome to this video.
Hello.
Today we are doing Stalking Sprout video. I'm on my old account and I'm gonna have this up, like the leaderboard up, so you guys can see we're not faking this. Why?
And mine Ted is watching.
Yeah, Chick is watching because we don't know if you can be multiplayer to do it. So yeah.
No,
Let's
you
just-
can.
Oh, okay. We think we don't can. I don't think he's real. And if my voice sounds different, that's because I have a new headset and my brother is about to get his Icarus. Right?
Yes.
Okay. What do we go to first? Toon room, projector, warehouse. What do you
room.
think? Toon rooms. Okay.
Yes.
Let's just hope it doesn't stalk us, right?
I hope we see it and we're gonna prove it real or fake.
Yeah. If you guys see him, comment it down below because I'm gonna be. Wait. Did they remodel the rooms or is it just me?
I don't know.
Wait, did they? I kind of think they did. Huh? Wait. This
Wait,
is what. This is Westland Dazzles, right?
Yes.
Kind of think.
Man, do you see something red? It red with that the room before and you walk in.
Yeah.
I saw a dumb red. I think they saw the shroud.
Yeah, they did get remodeled. Wait, did you see him?
I think so. In red with that the room before you walk in.
Wait, oh. Comment down below if you guys also saw him. I'm gonna cry. I don't know. I don't know if you're supposed to see anything, to say anything, to spawn him. But I just think we just walk around. Wait, that's a new animation, right?
Yes, man. What? Shroud, fake, starting shroud.
Yeah. Should we go to warehouse or projector room?
Yes.
What should we go to?
To be warehouse.
Okay, warehouse. Let's go to warehouse. Warehouse.
I think we say it before. We say
Wait.
before.
Yeah. Me and my brother has done Stalking Sprout alone sometimes, and we haven't found him yet. So we kind of think
I
he's
did.
fake. Wait, you did?
I did.
Whoa, okay.
I did.
Wait, so he's real? He's real?
I think so. I think so.
I didn't know that. I have my microphone in front of my mouth right now, so that's if I'm a bit too loud. Wait. Did you guys saw him or was it just a machine? Chick, did you see
I
him?
didn't. No.
Are you supposed to be Cosmo or what? It could be Purple. I really want to be Ooh. Is that a sign of him?
Doing?
Wait.
What are you doing?
Was it just me or I saw him in the window? I felt like he was behind one of those trees.
Here, and he will. He spawned in.
Wait, he has?
Yes, Donna is so black.
Wait,
now
what?
Doing black and it spawned in.
Wait, what? I didn't know that. Wait, I'm kind of scared. But I'm purple, so I kind of think I'm fine. I could just run away from him. Right?
No.
Don't mind, I have never played on this, my old account, so don't mind that I haven't unlocked any of the Twisted yet.
Wow, so bad.
Should we go to projector room now?
Yes, next we gonna go to lobby.
Yeah, why am I kinda scared? Wait, I think Hopeless like saw him right up here.
Yes, he did.
Yeah, but I don't know if his videos are fake. I kinda think they are.
I don't know.
Yeah. So I kind of think they are. I haven't really watched them.
No. And now, please 100 subscribers now.
Yeah.
We did 100 subscribers. We gonna start a
Discord server.
yes.
Should we go to lobby now?
And we.
Why was that so loud?
You.
Why was it actually so loud? Wait. Did you guys see him over here? I thought like I saw him over here, like standing here. Or was it just me?
I don't know.
Oh my god, why the hell is this kinda creepy?
Yes. But I saw him.
What? Where?
In that room. There
Here?
I saw
Here?
some red.
Here?
Yes, I saw them red.
Standing here?
I saw them red on with the door.
What?
I saw them red.
Yeah, and there are like no red here. Oh my god.
No.
Oh my god, that gave me just like a jump scare. For that was Talking Sprout, but it's just a cardboard.
Do we end the video now?
No, I think we will do a little more. Maybe like 5 minutes. Like I have seen people. Wait. The sign is gone, or has it always been gone? Like in roleplay servers.
What was on?
The sign here? I think it's gone in roleplay servers.
Yes, it's gone. It's a roleplay.
Oh, okay. Should we go to room tunes now? I just gonna do that. Actually, I'm gonna edit this video because I always edit a video. Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh, if I see Talking Sprout, I'm actually gonna I'm gonna call Chick.
But we don't see something about his son. He gonna edit here where I at.
I will love this new animation. Ah! Wait, did I just see him? Wait, was I blind? Or when I turned, when I was like here, and I turned my camera, so I saw someone here standing like here, like.
Me too.
Hello. Okay. I think we're gonna end this video now. Like for part 2. If we get 5 likes, we're gonna do a part 2. Goodbye.